Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to check Facebook primary location. So let's start. At first you have to open your Facebook app. In here log into your account, and then after that tap on the menu bar in here, and then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. After that tap on settings again, and in here scroll down and try to find out access your information. Under your information tab you can find out this, and then tap on here, then search about your primary location. Then you can find out this option, tap on here. In here you can find out your primary location. So this is how you can find out your Facebook primary location. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.